Numbers begins with a census of the Israelites. My concern with this census is that it's the third within a space of a single year. I believe one would have been sufficient. The Bible is explicit in saying that taking a census of the nation of Israel is fraught with risk. We read in Exodus 30, Yahweh spoke to Moses saying, "When you take the sum of the children of Israel according to their numbers, let each one give to Yahweh an atonement for his soul when they are counted. Then there will be no plague among them when they are counted." Centuries later, King David counted the people, and there was divine anger, and 70,000 people died. We see clearly the risk of taking a census of the Hebrew people. When the Torah announces the instruction to Moses to take a census, it words it quite strangely. Yahweh spoke to Moses in the Sinai desert, in the tent of meeting on the first day of the second month, in the second year after the exodus from the land of Egypt, saying, "Take the sum of all the congregation of the children of Israel by families, following their fathers' houses, a head count of every male according to the number of their names." The phrase the Torah uses to describe the act of counting is literally, "lift the head." This is a strange, convoluted expression. Why does the text not use the many simple words, the many simple verbs, meaning to count in biblical Hebrew, choosing instead this roundabout expression, "lift the heads of the people"? Why that expression is chosen for taking the census? Son of man, what seest thou?